it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess. Today I have my first case for the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2. I said in my unboxing video that I would have a case, an OEM case for this phone. This is going to be more like a clutch or a sling for your phone. You can carry it either way. I saw this and I was very intrigued. That is pretty. Look at the detail on it. The gold at the bottom. Lovely. This is a case. It's made just like the case that came in the box. It's got a lip for the camera back here. It's got slight branding here. And it's about the same color. Well, it's the exact same color as the case that came with the phone. Just no kickstand. This is going to be a case like if you're going out. So we have hooks on the side if we want to make it a clutch. And a gold chain if you want to wear it like a purse. This is going to come in handy. I got an upcoming trip to Puerto Rico. I can't wait to take this phone with me and get some great pictures. Got the little plastic covers off the side. And these are just little hooks to where you can just plug it in the side, right? So these just hook right into the side of here. And the same is going to go for the clutch piece. It's just going to hook. So let's insert this and see what kind of protection we get in here. Beautiful phone again. It's going to snap in just like the case. Snaps right into place there. Okay, is there any magnetization here? Okay, here we go. All right, so there is a magnet that's going to catch that in the front so it's not flapping open. I mean, that's a nice case in itself if you don't want the clutch or the bag accessory to it. I mean, this gold chain is awesome, so I can't imagine you want to go it out if you're a woman. But if you're a dude, I can see that. There's a lip for the camera back here. Full openings for your fingerprint reader and your volume up and down. No protection across the top, of course, and the sides on this front piece. So if I'm carrying this as a clutch and I just want to hook this in the top piece, just angle that up, clasp that in there, and I'm ready to go. You don't have to worry about your phone coming out. That's a pretty strong little grip there, and it turns all the way around. So you don't have to worry about your phone kind of just swaying in the wind because the actual wristlet part of it is going to swing around freely. This is the clutch, and this is for the purse. Pretty long strings. I fit it around my body pretty good. I'm not a size 0. Even if you're not going across the full body, it goes over the shoulder for anybody. But this is a nice little accessory if you're going out, or you know, it can be like a business kind of thing where you're not carrying a bunch of things. That way you can have your phone and it looks like a purse. It's a nice look. They took some time to think about that. Very little branding here, but you can see the Xiaomi right there. So I'm gonna wrap this up. This is another OEM case from Xiaomi for the Mix Fold 2. And it can be carried as a purse or as a wristlet, clutch, whatever you want to call it. Great accessory for you, the ladies or the gentlemen if you want to remove the wristlet or the chain. It's not a cheap case. It is OEM. You're going to pay $100+ for it. For me, it's going to work wonders. I'd like to thank you for stopping by the channel, taking time out of your day, because time is money, and checking out my video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to leave them below. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you've enjoyed multiple videos on this channel, you might want to subscribe. Subscriptions are free, memberships cost, and memberships have privileges. If you want to know what those privileges are, click on the join button and see what the perks are for joining this channel. If I've helped you with anything ever, there's a super thanks button. You can hit that, contribute to the channel that way. If you'd rather not be a member, but you'd like to give a little something. No pressure on any of that. I'm here enjoying the waves of technology. I hope to catch you on my next video. Holla!